Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, and in today's video we'll be doing an unboxing of a product that is perfect for Indian cooking and Indian kitchens, but I'm sure that you've not seen it before and also not used it in your kitchen ever before. So watch this video till the end to know what this product is and how you can use it in your daily cooking. So guys, like I said, today I'll be showing you a product that is a perfect addition in any Indian kitchen, and it is so useful, yet many people do not use it. So this is the product that I'm talking about. This is something known as a Sauteuse pan. So it gives you the versatility of a kadai, and it gives you the heat and the caramelization, and when we crave that bhuna hua flavor, it gives you that of a fry pan. So it's a combination of a fry pan and a kadai both in one. So that is what we call a Sauteuse pan, and today I'll be unboxing it and showing it to you what all you can do in it and what it looks like. So this is from the Select range. Now, as many of you might know, that Meyer Select range is a completely nickel-free range, and it is one of the healthiest cookware that you can get in the market. So once we unbox the product, you get some instructions and the use and care manual and how to wash your cookware, how to clean it and store it, etc. Now moving in, the first thing that you have is the lid. Now the lid is made from shatter resistant glass, which means that you can see what is cooking inside. You can see the food while it is cooking, but even if you drop it, it is very hard, it will not break. And even by chance, if you manage to break it, it will only crack. The glass will not shatter, or the glass will not leave this place. So it will stay in its place even if it's cracked. So this is the lid. This is what it looks like. Now moving into the actual product. This is the product. This is what a Sauteuse pan is. Now this is a shape that is very new in the Indian market, and not many people use it or are aware of this product. Like I said, it combines a fry pan and a kadai. So the thing we associate with kadais is capacity. Whenever we have to make something in a large quantity, we tend to use kadais, and even when we're making curries or something that needs a lot of cooking time and has to be on the gas for a longer time. And when we talk about fry pans, we talk about a cookware that gives you really nice caramelization. If you have to brown something in it, because of the extra surface area, it gets really nice browning and really nice roasted flavor. This cookware combines the best of both worlds, and it gives you in one particular product. So you get the surface area of a fry pan and the capacity of a kadai. You can easily make up to 2.5 kgs of food in this particular cookware. So you get the browning and the surface area of a fry pan, so that if you are browning something, if you are bhunoing something like onions, for example, onions take a very long time to brown in a kadai because of the curved shape, so that the heat is only concentrated in a small area. That is why onions take a long time to brown in kadais, as opposed to this particular cookware, which spreads the heat in this whole area. So you can spread out your onions, and since the heat is being spread all over it, it browns very quickly and very evenly. Same goes for any kind of non-vegetarian food, for example, which you need to roast in a kadai or even in a fry pan. So let's say you're cooking chicken or you're cooking mutton, and you always love that nice charred bhuna hua flavor in the non-veg curries, which is perfect in this kind of cookware. Couple that with this lid so that you can easily place it on top, and while you're cooking, you can see what is inside and easily check on your food. The handles are given on the side. Both the handles have a heat resistant silicone grip, so that you can easily place it on the gas and then remove it from the gas. Once you're done cooking, you can easily serve your food also in this cookware itself. It looks really good on a table. You can cover it with your lid and you can place it as it is on your dinner table, and it will stay warm, it will stay fresh, and it looks really good on the table. So this particular cookware is available in 3 sizes: 20 centimeter, 24 centimeter and 28 centimeter. 20 centimeter is the smaller one, which can feed up to 2 people. If you're a small family, you can get the 20 centimeter one. The one that I have here in this video is 24 centimeter. This is the medium size. This is good enough for a family of 4 people. And the largest size that we have is the 28 centimeter, and it has a great capacity. I have a biryani video that I made in that particular cookware, which resulted in about 3 kgs of biryani. So I'll put the link in the description. You can check out that video also, and you can see exactly how much cooking you can do in that particular product. So if we talk about the price of this range starts at 4175 for the smaller one. That was all about this particular product, the Select Range Sauteuse pan. Brand new product, brand new design that has not been seen in the Indian market before, and definitely not a common sight in many Indian households. But once you start using it, you'll know exactly how useful this product is, and it will be a part of your daily cooking. So I'll be back with more such videos and more such products. In the meantime, do subscribe to our channel so that you can see all the latest products and all their videos. So I'm gonna see you soon.